voltage equal to 36, and this is the answer. Okay, so what you need to remember, if it is a series circuit, the amount of current remains the same. To calculate the total resistance, what you need to do, just simple add up their number. And then apply the Ohm's law, and then you will get the answer. Okay, is it clear? To some extent? Yes? Let's do this question. It says that resistor of 6 ohms and 3 ohms are connected in series. Two resistors, the value is 6 ohms and 3 ohms connected in series. The combined, find out the combined resistance, means calculate the total resistance. So what you are going to do, series circuit, you are going to simply add up. So 6 plus 3, answer is 9. So which answer is correct? Is D. Okay? If you look the second one, it says resistor of 20 ohms, 40 ohms, 60 ohms are connected in series. The total resistance value will be 120. Again, answer is D. Okay, is it clear to everyone? How to calculate the total resistance for the series circuit. Okay? Now, if the circuit is parallel, now what is parallel circuit? First of all, okay, the parallel circuit is when, take the example of this water pipe, okay, the water line is coming and then it has got so many different outlets. So the water is going to divide. Okay, so the water is going to divide in all these three houses. Let's say first house, second house, and third house. Okay, and there is only one pump. So what's going to happen in this case? The current, which is the water pressure, will divide. In the previous circuit, the pressure remains the same, but here the pressure divides because there are three in parallel. Okay, so that's why I've said over here that the 6 ampere which divides 2 amp, 2 amp, 2 amp, because the same amount of current is drawn by each house. But again, it depends on resistance. 6 ohms, 12 ohm, 18 ohms. Okay, so accordingly the current will flow accordingly. But what is common? Voltage, excellent. Because what you can see that the positive terminal is connected next week to onward, inshallah ta'ala, we will start doing some practical as well. But before that, you need to know the basic theory. That's why I'm just explaining this one. Right, okay. Now looking into this one, the battery is here. This is one load. This is second one. This is third one. So all the three, the positive terminal of the battery connects with this one, and with this one. With all the three were connected all on one side, and negative terminal connected on the other side of this resistor, this load. It means this voltage, whatever this voltage is, that will appear across each load. Okay, so in the series circuit, the current was same. In parallel circuit, voltage is same. In series circuit, the voltage was different. In parallel circuit, current is different. Again, we have got three quantities, V equal to IR. Okay, and this is what you need to remember, Ohm's law. Then next step is, okay, how I'm going to calculate the total resistance in this case. To calculate the total resistance, the formula which you need to remember is 1 over R total. This formula is little difficult, okay, and 1 over R total equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 in this case. Okay, so this is, and then once you solve these three values, then again you need to flip that one to get the value of the total resistance. Okay, for example, if I will say, if this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohms, this is 8 ohms. The question is calculate the total resistance of this one. So what I'm going to do, this is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. What is 1 divided by 2 equal to? 0.5. 1 over 4 equal to 0.25. 1 over 8 equal to 0.125. Okay, add up all these three numbers and the answer is 0.9. I'm just doing approximate values. Okay, 0.5 plus 0.25 is 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.125 is 0.875. Okay, 0.875, which is, let's say, approximately 0.9. So this is 1 over R total. So I need to find out the total resistance. So what I'm going to do in this case, R total, if I flip both sides, okay, this will become R total and this will become 1 over 0.9. I'm just rotating that for 180 degrees. Just rotate, doesn't matter. If you rotate, do both sides, okay, it's not going to affect. So 1 over 0.9 equal to 1.1. Okay, so this is the total resistance. This is the total resistance of the circuit. So if this is 2 ohms, 4 ohms and 8 ohms, so the equivalent circuit in this case is one resistor which is equal to 1.1 ohms. Let's say if this is 11 volt, then how much current is flowing? V equal to IR, I equal to V over R. Okay, so this is V over R, which is 11 over 1.1. Answer is 10 amps. So 10 amps current is flowing through this circuit. Okay, is it clear to everyone to some extent? That only the difficult part is when you arrive at this point, then to flip both sides. That's it. This is what you need to remember. They give you the formula in the exam, but here if you don't remember how to do it, then you may go wrong. I've seen so many questions in my college. Every time I explain to students, but every time I got wrong answer because they forgot to flip and then divide. Okay, is it clear? So let's do one example on this one, and then I will move on to the next point. Okay, he says 6 ohms and 3 ohms, two resistors in parallel. Okay, calculate the combined resistance. I will tell you why you need to learn about series and parallel circuit. Okay. So what is the correct answer? It's 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. 2 ohms. Is everyone okay? Have you done the calculation? Answer is correct. Is that 3 ohms? It's 2 ohms. Okay. Yes, everyone okay with 2 ohms? No? 9. No, series circuit, you add up. Parallel circuit, you divide. In parallel circuit, so 1 over R total equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. Okay, so this is what is 1 divided by 6 equal to 0.1167. 1 over 3 is 0.333. If you add these numbers, answer is 0.5. Okay, so 1 over RT equal to 0.5. What is RT equal to? Flip 1 over 0.5, which is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 is the correct answer. Let's do that one. Then after that, I'll move on to next one. So why I'm explaining all these things? Sometime when you do the connection, you put 2-3 bulbs in a line. Okay, instead of giving the full light, they are dim. So what could be the answer? Maybe when you have made the connection, you connected in series because the voltage divide. Because the voltage is not coming across the lamp is 240 volt. That's why, so you are getting less light. Okay. So similarly, when they are parallel and some bulbs will start shining too much, means there's large amount of current flowing. What could be the reason? Maybe one of the bulb is short circuit. Somewhere there is short circuit. Okay, so that's why these are the basic concepts which you need to remember, which you need to understand, the series and parallel circuit. And when you do the inspection and testing course, these are the main thing over there to calculate insulation resistance. Okay, so all these things are very important. Right, okay, have you done that, the other one? 1 over 20, 1 over 40, 1 over 60. Which was the correct answer? A, 10.0 to 10.9. Is everyone agreed? Yes? Okay. Right, this is all about the basic theory which I want to explain. Okay, this is very simple question. Very simple question. This one. Example 3. Let's solve this one if you can. It has a trick in this one. Okay? What is the trick? Yes, two resistor, 3 ohms and 3 ohms, they are in series, in same line. So you need to solve that one first and then replace with 1. Then you will see 2 resistors in parallel. Okay, so this is some sort of a combined circuit. Do you want to solve it? Yes? No? No? Yes? Okay. With this one, by basic theory, which you need to know, is complete. Then now I'm going to move on to the next step. So what's the answer? Yes, 3 ohm. Yes, 3 ohm is the answer. Anyone got the 3 ohm? I know one is just 3. Okay, right, simple. That if I redraw this circuit, 12 volt. This is one resistor which is 6 ohms, and then I move. This is 3 ohms and 3 ohms, and this is 6. So you add these two first and replace with 1. So this will be 6 ohms. The combination of these two is 6 ohms. So I remove this one. Now you have got two 6 ohms in parallel. So 1/6 plus 1/3, 1/6. So two resistor, if they are same value, only two for two. If they are same value, they are parallel, the answer is half of the value, always. If it is 50-50, answer is 25. 100-100, answer is 50. Two parallel, same value. But if they are three, then it's different. Then apply the formula. Okay? Right. So basically, this is the basic theory which I explained. I tried to explain. And the next step in this one, which you need to know, is this lesson. Okay. Especially so when we are going to make this board, say for example, this board, this is the board which we are going to make. Right. Huge. ओहो, बिल्कुल ही भूल गया. अपॉलॉजीज, आई टोटल, मैं बिल्कुल भूल गया कि उर्दू में भी करना है. सो मैं अभी करता हूँ उर्दू में. अच्छा, अनु की हो गया जनाब? हाँ जी, शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया ये.
स्लाइड कर दे और ऑफ कर लिए.
वो तो बंद ही कर दी मैंने. बंद कर दिया. We are going to make. Okay, this is the basic step. Once we will complete this board, then after that, the next stage will be, then I will start teaching the regulations, 18th edition. Okay, and the 18th edition is the basic qualification which each and every electrician needs to achieve. Okay, now the last week, maybe a week before, I mentioned this thing that you need to go to one of the center to get yourself registered, and then you can do the exam. So normal fee for these centers, they normally charge about £500 for the 18th edition course. So the last Saturday, Monday, I've been asked by Senator Tijara department that I need to do some presentation for again same type of course, and that was online. And there are many members throughout the UK they joined. Okay, and during that course, then I came to know that one other person, he was attending the course. He is not only electrician, he is running his own training center. Then I said to him, okay, you are the person who is running the training center, why not you give advantage to our MD brothers? And he said, okay, If he said, if you pay only the registration fee, then he will give you the opportunity to do the exam. So it means that is only £100, maybe £70, okay, just for registration. So it means instead of £500, you can do this one in £70, the 18th edition course. But I'm still in term talking with him, and he said, I said to him, okay, if you can come to Baitul Fatu, he's MD, come to Baitul Fatu and we will set up over here, and then the people can do the exam. He said, oh yes, I can do that as well. So this is what I'm in contact with the other people. In उर्दू में ये है कि जब हम ये सारा ये कर लेंगे, सब आप बना लेंगे विद फुल कॉन्फिडेंस, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद फिर आपने 18th एडिशन करना है, क्योंकि 18th एडिशन इज द जो है ना बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशन है कि आप इलेक्ट्रिशियन के लिए, तो आपके पास ये एक्सपीरियंस होगा, जलसा सालाना में हमारे साथ काम करें और एक्सपीरियंस गेन करें, तो इंशाल्लाह ताला यू कैन डू द वर्क, ओके। सो और हमारे एक एमडी हैं जो कि आप ही इज़ अप नॉर्थ, तो उसका अपना ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है क्योंकि मैं मंडे वाले दिन एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स जमात की तरफ से कर रहा था, उसमें मुझे पता लगा कि जी वो कर सकते हैं, ही हैज़ गॉट हिज ओन सेंटर, तो कहते मैं हेल्प करूँगा, तो लेट्स से व्हाट प्लान वो मुझे बताते हैं, तो उसके मुताबिक हम ये करेंगे। तो इसलिए बहुत अच्छा मौका है, इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम इलेक्ट्रिशियन, ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी रूट नाउ। प्रीवियसली यस, आफ्टर दिस वन टू आपको किसी सेंटर को ज्वाइन करना है, 700-800 पाउंड लगने थे, अब क्या है, मे बी विद इन 100 पाउंड, rest of the thing I'm going to do with you, I will explain everything, I'm professional in all these things, okay? तो जितना फ़ायदा मुझसे ले सकते हैं अब लें। तो अच्छा जी, इसलिए आपके लिए बड़े आसान मौका है कि आप क्वालिफिकेशन कर सकें, ठीक है। नाउ अगेन इन इंग्लिश, दिस इज़ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू मेक, ओके। अगर आप इफ़ यू लुक एट योर ओन होम, these are the things there. You have got two-way light switch, you have got one-way light switch, you have got ring circuit, you have got radial circuit, you have got cooker circuit, okay. So and this is what you are going to make over here, and I will explain all the wiring, that how you are going to do the wiring for each circuit. I will take you through step by step, okay. So next step is how we are going to do it, okay. That the first thing, maybe I don't know, Secretary Sahib is going to tell me later on, or he can explain now, okay, for all these things, yes, it costs money, okay, but if you want to learn, definitely you are going to spend some money as well, okay. Something, yes, we are going to help as well, we are going to provide you help, okay. अगर आप ये वाले, if you want to do this course outside, again 500 pounds, not less than that, okay. So here you have got free chance that yes, I'm going to take you through each and every step, but you need to do, you are going to, Secretary साहब आज आप बता दें कैसे करना होगा, क्योंकि there will be to my understanding, to learn how to do all the wiring, okay, my recommendation will be not more than 4 people are working on one board, okay. So not more than one person, more than 4 person for one board, okay. So say for example, if we are over here, let's say sitting 60, it means we need to make at least 15 group. If we are 100, we need to make 25 group, ठीक है. So are you willing to spend some money, because yes, we are going to provide something, okay, but you need to spend some as well from your own pocket.
We will have to make some discussion with some experts how we can go ahead. Maybe we may develop some groups, as Steve Sahab has said, and Every group will contribute something.
Yes, this one saying, yeah.
We can request center as well to share something. So in this way, we will try to go ahead, inshallah.
So are you willing to contribute something? Yes? Hanji? Chahiye kya? We are going to purchase all these items.
The switches, I have the connection that we could get about for 5 pounds, no more than 5 pounds. But the double base and the single light should be more than 5 pounds to check. And I'll give them to you. So don't go to the main shop, but it's brand new, it's not brand new. So you don't worry.
Yeah, it's okay. If anyone want to donate anything, yes, if you got at your home, just bring here. Yes, we can use that one. Yes, why not? We can use that one.
You can just tell how much roughly a board will cost, how much cost will be divided on 4 persons. Then it will be.
ठीक है. Yes. Yes, I will. Yes, sir.
Whatever the cost for the training material, by saying whatever the cost of training material, our office will inshallah provide. So
Amure Amma.
Murama will provide it.
अच्छा मतलब आप डोनेट कर देंगे कुछ.
They should have some.
Let's say, okay, if I'm not wrong, okay, maybe to buy all these stuff, okay, I'm talking about the new. But so with your experience, all these things for one board, how much it costs? 50 pounds, 60 pounds?
Now, let me start out tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
And if I check it,
Okay, 50, 60 pounds.
the latest one, all of them have USB port. With the latest.
No, there's no need for USB port.
So you get the
Yeah, yeah.
But now it becomes USB.
Okay. Right. You know, I will tell you, it maybe for one board excluding the consumer unit, because the consumer unit itself is about 50 pounds. Okay. With we are going to have 4, 5. So for 6-way consumer unit.
How long before we get this board?
No, next week to onward. Next week we will show you everything, okay, which I'm going to show today as well on the slide, okay. Oh yes, sir.
Because I don't think so that it's worth it for that, but the 25 for this kind of set. So if you have 5 or 10, and each divided by time, they can work that. This can be.
I got your point. That then only, say for example, if you have got 5 boards, only 20 people are coming. Yes. Once they finish, then next 20 people. Then in that case, I don't know everyone is going to do it or not. I don't have that much time as well. See, because you know the Jalsa Salana work is coming. I will be busy over there. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm asking everyone. But I'm listening. Everyone saying yes, we will contribute. Yes, sir.
Once the item is bought, it's not going to be scrapped. They will keep it for other people to be using.
For the
They don't want to waste it. It's going to be there for other people to use.
yeah, Amurama is going to keep, and for the next session maybe it will be free. Yes. Next session will be free. Yes. But if it's among your group. If you want to donate.
When he's offered, he's.
Yes, it's okay.
So
Yes.
everybody.
Right. Okay. Yes. We are going to make the groups as well, but not today. Okay. But